Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your SOUNDCORE Liberty 5 earbuds automatically starts the music or pause it. So actually the thing that you need to remember is to charge your earbuds to 100% and to clean them. Let me show you something. Here on the earbud we do have here this in-ear detector sensor. If it's enabled and here you have it oily, dirty, etc. or covered in dust, it won't work and it will just be broken and it will be automatically start playing or pausing music. So keep this clean and try to have it working. If you still have it broken, you need to question if the player is working. Try turning off and on the player. Try to restart your device, and this would be helpful. If it still isn't helpful, open the case lid and hold the finger on this button for 10 seconds. This should begin the process of the factory reset. You should see this LED light repeatedly blinking 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now the factory reset is done. From now you should be able to use your headphones normally. If you still aren't, you need to just go to the device support and have your headphones done and repaired. There is only one thing that you can do, but I don't really think that you will be happy about that. In the app, you need to disable the in-ear sensor. And the in-ear sensor, it's that when you remove it from your ear, the music will stop. If you plug it in, if you put it in, your music will start. So, if you turn it off, the music will just be playing all the time, and you will have to pause it manually to, have it paused and to not play it out of your ears. The same with the ANC, etc. They just be working all the time and it will use more battery than usual. But I don't really think that this is a good idea, so I leave it to you. Goodbye.